Jeonju, known as the cultural capital of Korea. With many traditional buildings such as Hanok Village and rich cuisine, this is a great destination to explore the beauty of Korea. We will introduce the top 3 hotels in Jeonju. If you want to receive hotel information every evening, please click the subscribe button. Easy to access from the entrance of the Hanok Village. Clean and cozy Hanok house modernized with all necessary amenities. New and tastefully decorated Hanok-style accommodation. Enclosed courtyard with outdoor seating. Beautiful space to rest, relax, and explore Jeonju Hanok Village. Nestled in the heart of Jeonju Hanok Village, the place where traditional Korean luxury meets modern comfort. Beautifully designed with great attention to detail from the garden to the house. Well-equipped kitchen, a dining area, a sofa, and a comfortable bed with nice quality linens, suitable for sipping coffee together and enjoying peaceful moments. Centrally located in the heart of Jeonju Hanok Village, easy walking distance to many famous tourist attractions. There are many beautiful cafes nearby. Hanok House with minimalist but beautiful design. The interior perfectly combines modernity and tradition, providing dreamlike experiences with a peaceful romantic space. Get the cheapest hotel booking link in the description box.